Hey, today we want to speak about how Kartgroup can be interested to acquire your company. Which companies are in our focus? Car hauling companies, equipment hauling companies, car hauler parts or automotive parts, supplier companies, car terminals. These are all sectors where we are interested to be part of or acquire it 100%. What can we offer? Kart is over 33 years now in the market by wholesaling cars, trucks, manufacturing car haulers and equipment haulers, and making logistic for vehicle terminals and dealers, factories, so on. We have achieved a lot in our business life. We are today in 17 different countries active, and our business network is big. Of course, looking back in that 33 years, it's understandable that we have made big network by personal contacts, by our customers, by our also suppliers, all the logistic network, terminals, and so on. This is what we can bring in, what we can share with you today. It's not meant that it's necessarily important that we're gonna acquire your company today and you have to step out. No, we are also interested to be part in your company, bringing in, like I already mentioned, those features, what we can offer. And of course, we can also speak about money. But to speak about money, here's of course a catch which we need to understand. We are not acquiring companies just to find companies to purchase them and get them whatever, let's say low priced. We are looking for companies which are themselves active in the market. They have a customer base, they are making profit. Even if the profit is, let's say, not big today or there are some issues, we are happy to speak about and see what we can do together. Because it's very clear that like we have acquired in our life already many companies and we can consolidate some activities. It's always beneficial for the whole group. And this is it. I mean, if you are interested to contact us, you're gonna find this contact information below this video, of course. This is info@kartgroup.com, or you go just on our webpage www.kartgroup.com. I'm super excited to see what you will offer and speak about, of course, already then together with you what we can offer, and if we can find a good solution to come together, be more profitable, secure in the best way our businesses together, and help each other in this business environment where we all are today. Thank you very much. This is Henrik Saar, Kartgroup, and I hope you contact us soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Car Hauler Partnership. By partnering with Kart, you have the freedom to dedicate full time, while we handle 100% of the fleet's technical solutions. Now you serving and exploring new opportunities. We foster long-term relationships, treating partners like family. Your growth is our growth and success. With over 3 decades of experience, Kartgroup has demonstrated expertise in various fields, including car and truck hauling, operating factory terminals, managing a group of companies, specializing in vehicle transport manufacturing, and excelling as a car wholesale expert. Our core mission at Kartgroup is to provide our partners with comprehensive transport solutions, ensuring strategic planning and economic profitability. In our pursuit of success, we prioritize win-win deals. Contact info@kartgroup.com.